Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two electric spin brushes. On the right, this is the Labigo. On the left, this is the Dovety. Now one of the major changes or differences is the Labigo takes a proprietary charger cable right here. I love that the Dovety takes USB-C right here. You can charge it with USB-C. It's got a nice display up here and the handle is longer. Both of them are adjustable. You can adjust it in and out. But let's see how strong each one is. So you're going to turn the Labigo on here. All right, 1 speed. Let's turn the Dovety on. 2 speeds. Now both of them are really powerful. I'm not able to bog either one down, and I'm pressing down really hard. So the Dovety, the controls are down there at the control head. The controls on the Labigo are right here. And I do like the little bit bigger handle. It just seems like it's a little bit heavier duty, but the Dovety is definitely lighter weight and it has a longer reach. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.